I am tired of some Yoruba people calling every other tribe Igbo. Nigeria has more than 200 languages. Everybody is not Igbo. I used to think that Yoruba people are so educated. This time, I know say many Yoruba people now they don't go school. So many of you. Because I don't see why you don't get to research. Anybody that comments aside the Yoruba name is an Igbo person to you. Igbo is not a bad tribe. If I was Igbo, I would love it also. But you guys should come on. And what's so special about this Lagos? Any small thing, hey, you put on to Lagos, you put on to what is so special about Lagos? Can the federal government try to decentralize Nigeria? Let me tell you guys, the monopoly they gave to Lagos is what is making Lagos feel like Dubai in your eyes. And Lagos is not Dubai. Lagos where they smell, airport where they smell, everywhere they smell. The island where they Lagos where you still find small. Now the Chinese, Lebanese, and Indians now food there. How many of them where they comment their island? How many of them fit buy land for Banana Island? How many of them fit buy house for Banana Island? Now not go fit. So what is the news? Can Nigerian government open the seaports in Rivers, in Akwa Ibom, in Warri, and of course my Gelegele seaport in Edo, and see the way Igbos will leave your place? See the way other tribes will leave Lagos. Lagos will be like where nobody they stay. Do you think people are enjoying staying in Lagos? They're only there because of the monopoly given to Lagos. Imagine if I have to fly as an Edo girl, I need to come down in Lagos before I go to Benin. Why don't they give us license for Benin International Airport? Why can't our flight come down in Benin or Asaba that is close to me? Asaba Airport is more beautiful than Murtala Mohammed Airport. But the federal government will not give us license because they want everybody to be coming down in Lagos because according to Nigeria, now Fulani and Yoruba, now they lead the country. So you think people are enjoying staying in Lagos? Have you been to Tinker Island there? That place is congested. But because of the monopoly, because of Una Papa, Tinubu, they chop money for there. So they don't want to make other states for Nigeria get seaport. Can't I come down? Let them open Enugu International Airport. Let KLM, let Lufthansa, let all of them start to come down there and see whether you will see Igbo man for your place where they come down for Lagos. People should calm down about this Lagos. If they dash me Lagos, except the Eko where Edo people get, and I go see stay Eko, but that other Lagos, all those Musha Ege, Ipaja, I know if you stay there. Some parts they for Lagos they not even get road. Some part they will never even get light for many years. Now they brag. What's in the Lagos? And federal government they favor Lagos. Now they favor Lagos. Federal government should decentralize Nigeria and see the way every other tribe will focus on their states. Then they open many rivers begin to function well.
Hello, mokiwa o. Gbogbo ibikíbi tẹ́ bá wà tẹ́ tí ń gbọ́ mi àbí tẹ́ tí ń wò mí, orúkọ tèmi ò yí padà, Ìyídára Kòwé ni mò ń jẹ́. Sister mi yìí. Kí ló dé? Kí ni Yorùbá ṣe fún ẹ kí lára nígbà ẹ tó wá mú èpè dání? À ń jẹ́ kuru kó tán láwo, ẹ̀yin kan tún gbọ́n wẹ́ síbẹ̀. Bóyá sọ̀rọ̀ yóò ti lóòkì ṣọmọ Yíbò o tẹ́ ń ṣe Yorùbá, of course torí ò lè jẹ́ Yorùbá kó máa sọ pé Yorùbá ponú. Ipe appreciate ilẹ̀ wa. Ẹjọ́ ṣáwa la kó bá yín ni. Ṣé Edo ni ẹni àbí Delta? Èwo lè bú? Amúni jẹ́ amúni. Èwo ni òní bọ́m̀bẹ́? Ṣé ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ni kí èèyàn appreciate heritage, kó appreciate ilẹ̀, kó appreciate race ẹ̀? Tí Yorùbá bá mú Lagos State ti kọ́in tó ń jọ wọ́n lójú, my dear, nání, ohun anílà nání o. Báwo ni mo ṣe fẹ́ sọ yẹn náà ní English tàbá tẹ̀ wá fẹ́ sọ Ìgbò padà àbí ẹ fẹ́ sọ pidgin. Ẹ wo ẹ̀yin ọmọ ìyá mi, yìí máa yé mi. Ẹ jẹ́ bá mi fò Ìgbò yẹn síbi comment section. Ẹ bá mi sọ fún sister ẹ padà. Nání, ohun ẹni bá níbẹ̀ ló máa ń nání. Ẹ bá mi sọ síbẹ̀, ẹ bá mi sọ ṣe. Bí mo yẹn sọ lọ, ó ní àwa Yorùbá, any small thing, anybody tí ó bá ti jórúkọ Yorùbá, tá bá ti rórúkọ ẹ̀ tí ó sorúkọ Yorùbá ńbẹ̀, gbogbo wọn ni Igbo. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni orí sọ. Èmi gan nígbà tí mò ń grow láti kékeré, èmi ọmọ yín pé kò ṣe gbogbo yín ni Igbo àti Edo àti Delta àti Rivers o àti Igbo gangan everybody yìí. Gbogbo wọn lè èmi máa ń pè Igbo tẹ́lẹ̀. Ẹnu ìgbà tí mi náà wá dàgbà tí mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní mix pẹ̀lú àwọn èèyàn ni ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá ń yé mi pé okay ó dẹ̀ pé Igbo yàtọ̀ o, Edo Delta yàtọ̀ o, Rivers yàtọ̀, èèyàn mélòó ló ti mọ̀? Kí ló wá múra, kí ló lè tó wá múra kankan? Ipe Yorùbá pariwo Lagos State. Yes, tí ó bá special sí yín, how come tẹ́ wá ń gbé ńbẹ̀? tí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ò bá special sí yín, tí eku ò máa ké fún yín bí eku, tẹ́yẹ ké bí ẹyẹ tọ́mọ ènìyàn fọ̀n bí ọmọ ènìyàn, tí a ò bá fi ọkàn yín balẹ̀ ká fara yín balẹ̀ pẹ̀pẹ̀, tí ẹ lù tó ń dún, kí ló dé tẹ̀yin náà takú sẹ́kọ̀ọ́? Ó wá wí tán alásọ̀bàjẹ́ ní ẹjẹ́ rẹ̀. Ó wá wí tán ó ní ṣebí nítorí monopoly pẹ̀lẹ́ ìyá monopoly wọ́n ló mọ̀ monopoly tó báyìí. Ṣebí torí monopoly tán gbé tán fún àwọn tán fún Lagos State torí seaport. Sí Yorùbá ẹ má jẹ́ ká dúró kó mi tẹ̀yìn wọ̀ gbé wa lẹ́nu, torí ṣe rí seaport Èkó yẹn àwọn tó fẹ́ gbà á tó bá jẹ́ wípé ó ṣe é ṣí ni. Ọlọ́run ó kú iṣẹ́ o ṣe olókè ọ̀run tó dá odò, tó dá òkun, tó dá ọ̀sà tí ò ṣe é ṣí nídìí. Wàláhì Ọlọ́run ìbá mẹ́yà tí ìbá gbé seaport Lagos State. Ṣé rí seaport àti airport yẹn, international airport yẹn, àwọn ẹ̀yà tó kù, àwọn tribe tó kù Nàìjíríà ó ń ṣe wọ́n bí kán forí san wá láyà ní àwa Yorùbá. Kí ló dé ẹni orí dé ó ti dá tán, ẹ fi ràn mí lọ́rùn lẹ̀, ẹ fi wá lè bẹ́ ẹ̀yìn wa nù níbi tá a dé, ẹ̀yìn wa nù. Kí ló dé gan? Àti ti sọ tí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ò bá wọ̀ fún yín, ẹ padà sọ́dọ̀ àyè títí yín náà. Kò síbi tí omi ò sí, kò síbi tó dùn sí, ẹ̀yin náà lè create seaport lọ́dọ̀ yín. Ó ti sọ́ọ̀sì ó ní ẹ máa lọ bá gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì á fún yín ní láísẹ̀nsì, wọ́n á gbé monopoly yẹn kúrò, wọ́n á lọ ṣe seaport sí Rivers, sí Guinea. Ẹ lọ ṣe kò káyé. Ibi ẹ bá rí ẹ lọ ṣe seaport sí, may una go carry the seaport, may una create another seaport for una side. My sister, when you come begin dey insult Yoruba because of their land. Yoruba dey their land, they protect their land, they fight to protect their heritage, their land and their race. Una dey fight, see your mouth now. You too talk o. Now you call Yoruba people say oponu, the monopoly wey dem give us. Now because everybody they make Lagos, say Lagos dey okay, everybody they go there. Now you make Yoruba they say Lagos. What is so special about Lagos? I beg, many things dey special for Lagos if you know. And that special thing wey dey now make you dey holla like this. Now make you dey holla. If Yoruba no dey friendly, we no give una space, we no give una chance. May una get rest of mind. May una live like una dey una village, or may una dey do una business, they make money, they build house, they do this. How many of una come on for una village, bring money for village, come buy land for Lagos? Na lie, not before that Lagos una make the money. Èkó ló ń gbé gbàgbé òṣì. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún yín. You never hear that one. I know say you go hear Yoruba very well. Èkó ló ń gbé ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ẹ má bínú. Ẹ̀yin má yé mi, ẹ bá mi kọ́. Èkó ló ń gbé ní English. Ẹ kọ sábẹ́ comment. Ẹ̀yin help mi, ẹ bá mi kọ́. Èkó ló ń gbé. Ẹ kọ síbi comment kó lè rí. Yes, Èkó ló ń gbé, because the thing be say we una no understand. All of una when una dey craze they go. They talk one thing say Lagos. Why Yoruba they shout everything Lagos. We go shout because now we get time. Now we get time. They pay una and it go they pay una till eternity. Una no fit change and I make all the country, all their eyes day for that Lagos, that seaport, this the land. Everybody want take over Yoruba land. If it easy, may una go. Shebi you don't talk now. Say una go do the same thing for una side. I bet may una go run if it dey easy. May una go run. We give una rest of mind. We give una job. We give una business. Una dey live like a king. The kind life wey many of una dey live for Lagos. Una go fit live for una village. How many una come out for village with money when una come dey live for Lagos? No, many of una ordinary sleepers na una put for leg take enter Lagos. Before una go open close eyes, open like this. Una don't buy mansion. Una don't build house. Una don't become somebody. Una don't become this because they can't begin to send message to other family for una village. They bring them back, all of them come Lagos. If Lagos no dey nice to una go fit do that kind of thing. Abalajo tí Yorùbá ní tó yí àlejò bá ti ń pẹ́ jù nílé rádaràdà lókù tí ó mọ̀ ṣe. Ó ti ẹ̀dá. As una even start this thing now, it don't happen be that. Now the time, now this period, now Yoruba go no say anything wey belong to anybody, may you dey protect am. So now the mind we una still get be that. Nobody dey force una. You don talk and say if all of una comot for Lagos, Lagos no go dey like this again. Abeg, make una comot. Make una go do meeting, make una comot, make una come see how Lagos go be. E be like say una never know anything. No be only Lagos go be like this. For Ondo State, we get seaport. Forget it. When we get Yoruba nation, we dey build all of them. We get many mineral resources where we go build many things. Una never know the plan where they grant for Yoruba land. By the time when Nigeria divide, everybody they build in the country. Una go see the kind country when the Yoruba land go be. Una go they think, una no go they go Dubai again. Now that Yoruba land go turn to Dubai for all of una. Now una go sit down, Babele they worry una. Babele too they worry una. I know they let me and they talk like this, but when I see this kind of video, they provoke person and. See you, my sister, I never talk. My mouth no good. This one where you so if I really want do I really want reply you, if you hear my reply, you go cry. But I no go do like that as they do. Because I be omoluabi ni wa beni. Shetiri, ẹ̀yin ìran mi. Ani ìfẹ́ àníjù ta máa ní sáwọn àlejò. Shetiri fọkọ̀pù tó ń fà. Shetiri rádaràda tó ń fà. Shetiri tó ṣe insult ìran mi. Mi fi Shori era lásán nílẹ̀ Yorùbá mi fi bá jèjì dá kan tó mọ̀ nípa dára nìyẹn. Shori èmi dára mi mọ̀ tọmọ Yorùbá mi o. Àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá lè máa tú sójú ara wa ká gẹ́ra wa jẹ́ ká fi ara wa dára tó bá wù wá. For the right thing kó lè ṣẹlẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n kì í wá ṣe pé bẹ́yà máa fi àwọn èèyàn mi, ìran mi, máa wá fi wọ́n tàfàlà. Kò sí bí ọmọ ìran mi ṣe lè wọ́ọ̀sì tó yìí lè support outsider against ìran mi torí mi kì í ṣe ọmọ àlè. Ma ever you this sister ma ever nílé ayé bá ìran ma ever sọ̀rọ̀ burúkú bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn sí ìran mi ma gbẹ́nu nígbèkúgbè Yorùbá land ó kọjá rádaràdà ó kọjá nǹkan téèyàn kan lè máa gbé sẹ́nu kó máa fi wónu kí ló yẹ fa rubbish gangan náà ṣọ́ ara ẹ̀ ó lè boss ó lè dìjà my sister no dey open your mouth dey talk like this to my race to my people I no dey joke see sometimes we Yoruba we feel dey quarrel. We dey do anything with ourselves. I feel quarrel my people. May better thing for happen, for better life and many other good things may happen for my land, for my people. But we dey quarrel, we dey quarrel, we dey argue, we dey do anything to ourselves, within ourselves. I know they carry my people, my Yoruba race people. I know they carry them, they joke with another people. They are too precious for my hand. No, they carry mouth, they talk to them like that next time. Go learn how to talk, If we begin to reply the thing now, if I really want do it now, how you talk now, if I really want reply, the thing it go just scatter everywhere, everywhere go just burst. What's in now? I bet no na take it easy. Say want Yoruba, Lagos State, we too they shout, Yoruba too they shout, Lagos. Yes, you to go shout to your village like that, now by force. Now by force, we love and we appreciate, we never shout Lagos self. We go begin the shout am. So they go reach heaven. That means go reach heaven. Waiting. I better go sit down. So, my people. You don't hear what they happen now. That is Yan. Waiting you yourself you see for this matter now. Okay, your own. You go feel right hand under this video. Right hand under this video. Help me reply that sister. Tell her, say Yoruba. Hey, ìran mi, ìran ọmọ aládé, ìran ọmọ ọlọ́lá, ìran ọmọ tó fi ń yangàn. Gbàgbé òṣì. We stand out from the crowd and everything about Yoruba. No máa entice àwọn èèyàn. Oh, máa entice everybody, both home and abroad, because we are specially made and created. Má bá wọn gbọ́ ní nígbòkúgbò. Jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run ọmọ yẹmi. Bá mi subscribe sórí YouTube channel. Ṣó ti subscribe? Okay. Ṣó ti tẹ notification bell. Má gbàgbé ìyẹn náà. Ó yá wá bá mi dá lóhùn sábẹ́ comment section. Jẹ́ kó mọ̀ wípé Yoruba kéré fún ọmọ kankan níbòkíbò láti máa fohùn ránṣẹ́ sí wa. Àwa gangan ni ìyá òun. Àwa lọ́ba èdè. Bá mi kọ síbi comment section.